Alright everybody, the next and last gift is Super Mario Odyssey Amiibo. Cost $15. I brought it at Target. This is for a year if you put the controller. Well, I'm not going to do this right now until the morning. I'll do it in the morning actually. So here we go. Oh, Elinor, what do you think about the Chicago? Yeah, nice. Alright, let's start opening it. Oh, Cusley, you're not supposed to come with the good guys. Sorry. Apology not accepted. Alright. Good guys are allowed here. Right? July and August. Yep. Alright. Alright, let's just open this. For this, you gotta put it with the controller. With this base thing. So we gotta be really careful, I think. Will look nice. Alright, here's my Mario. It's me, Mario time. Alright, I'm gonna get the controller, the Pro Controller for now. Since I don't have much time for the others. I'll be right back. Now I have my controller here. Let's see if I can put it. I don't know if you can. Oh, it's working. I don't know if it doesn't fit there. I think you gotta put, I think it's like, you gotta put the controller or something. Like this. I'm going to review it until the morning, guys. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Have a Merry Christmas. Hey, guys. Alright, Chloe and Elinor, are you excited? Yes. And the little fox? Yes. So we're going to review of the Amiibo Super Mario Odyssey, case base. I don't know. It's called base. Alright, let's take off the controllers. All you need to do, open to Super Mario Odyssey. If it's available on Switch Lite, the new Nintendo Switch, the white controllers, and the original version. So you gotta open the Super Mario Odyssey. Let's take off these controllers, and I'll show you how. Oh, see, there's a streamer since I had a countdown yesterday. Let's put these controllers on first since I had to wait. Let's lower up the volume. Alright, all you moment you're waiting for. Super Mario Odyssey!
Super Mario Odyssey!
Super Mario Odyssey! It's me, Mama Mario time. Alright, collect power moons. Alright, August, July, are you excited? Yes, we're gonna help those. So, what do you think about the bad guys, the bad kids doing? They're having time out for reasons. Thank you. Alright, July and August, thank you. Alright. Right, learning the dog and Milo? Yes, I like it. We're friends now. Yep. Alright, and Luna? I like it. Thank you for help. Hugs you. Alright, Luna. Thanks for the hugs. Don't squeeze me too hard. Alright. All you need to do is go to that robot. You have, and it says, hey, you got Amiibo? Yes, I have my Amiibo, but I only have one. But this is for Super Mario Odyssey. I don't know if you could put in Mario Kart or something. Let's go test it out. Alright, you gotta go tap. All you need to do, take off the controllers and put your Amiibo in there. See this? You gotta hold. Now, all you need to do, hold the right triangle thing. Now watch this. See in the screen right here? You gotta hold like this. Now watch this. Sorry guys, let me move the WMETA Munich House. No, not Munich House. Sorry, here we go. You gotta hold your base with your Joy console or your controller. Hold gently. Hold it like this. I don't know if it is gonna work or something. All right, let me try again. Hold your Amiibo so you could change your avatar or something. The Mario wedding. I only buy the Mario wedding only. I think it's available in Mario, Peach, and Browser, I think. Yep. Peach and Browser only. Mario, Peach, and Browser. Only to use the... I don't know, you could use a lot of characters. Maybe Luigi, I don't know. It's not good. Let me try again. Wait, hold on. Sorry about that. I don't know if I could. Sorry guys, or I think you could put like this or something. Let me try. Tap an Amiibo. Oh, okay. Wait. Alright, there we go. Alright, here we go. Let's connect this and tap an Amiibo. Wait, hold on. Not good. Hold on. Alright. Alright. Or harder like this. This might take a while. Now we're gonna use a Pro Controller. Alright, you know what? Let's get a Pro Controller. I'll be right back. Let's try this controller instead. I'm not gonna put it on the TV. I'm going to play Nintendo Switch Sports soon on Twitch. If you have Twitch, join me. Alright, let's try if it connects here. Now you gotta put the Mario thing. Well, I think it's gonna fall. Alright, here we go. Watch this. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we got Mario winning. Alright, let's change it. This is how to change your Amiibo. Now, here we go. Yes! Woo! Alright, here's what it looks like. Alright, this is what the Amiibo Wedding Mario looks like. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. And have a Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a happy Merry Christmas Day and a Happy New Year. Have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you at the next video. Bye. Have a Merry Christmas. And Ping Fong, what do you think? Nice. Yep, this is nice. And Luna. Hug, 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 hug. Luna, no more, please. Hug, 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 hug. Luna, stop hugging me. Not too squeezy. Hug. Luna, stop hugging me. You keep loving me. Oh yes, I love to hug. Alright, Luna. No more. Hug, 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 hug. Alright, Luna. You're starting to get angry for this. Luna, stop. Fine. Alright, so, Learning Group Dog, what do you think? I like it this much. Right, Milo? Yep. Alright. Alright, guys, that's all. In July and August.
Yes, hugs this time. Am I okay?
Alright, that's enough. Go have fun with your workers.
Alright.
Alright. 5 of you, go help with those, the troublemakers.
Alright.
So, all you need to do, help with the troublemakers. Everybody, please help.
Hi, Luna. Hug me. Oh, I love hugs.
Alright, Luna, no more, please. Stop hugging me.
Alright.
5 of you, please work at the troublemakers.
Alright. Let's go, July. Let's go, August. Okay, July.
Learning Book Dog and Milo, go help with the troublemakers. Along with Little Princess, Caillou, Little Brown Bear, and Cusley. Okay, we will try. Okay. Alright, go. And Luna, you could help with all of the gangs.
Alright, hugs this time.
Alright, Luna, that's enough, please.
Bye, everybody. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and all.
August.
Alright, Luna, no more hugs.
Alright.
Well, hope you have a Merry Christmas, right, Chloe and Elinor and the Fantastic Fox?
Yep. Hope you like it.
Alright, have a Merry Christmas, and here's my Mario.
It's me, Mario.
Mario! Alright, that'll be it. Have a Merry Christmas. We hope you guys have a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.